Tuesday next, maybe we'll have her threaded on, something like that. I'm guessing. Fortunately, this thing has super coarse threads on this assembly, so any kind of a turn you give it, she's going down super quick, getting tight real fast. And here she goes. Oh yeah, she's tight now. I'm just gonna get on there and give her another little ooga dooga. Oh yeah, she'll be all right like that. Perfect. Wipe off my wrench and fingers and whatnot. Keep my stuff from getting too horribly crappy. All right. So now we gotta find where the oil gets put back in it. I think it's on the other side. Yeah, I think it's on the other side. I'm gonna time out.